Hey, to connect OPPO Enco Air to earbuds with your Android smartphone, first of all, you have to remove both earbuds from this charging case. You will have to click and hold this sensor and this sensor for 5 seconds to enter for the pairing mode. So let's do this. Click and hold. You will hear the beeping sound. And now we can release. When you put this earbuds inside the charging case, you can find information about the pairing mode. So now this indicator is actually blinking. And now when you go into the Bluetooth settings and click on pair new device, you can find your OPPO Enco Air 2 on the list. So click on them once, accept the pairing request. Now we are successfully connected, and additionally you can get the Hey Melody application. So you have to install it on your phone, accept all of these permissions, click add, accept permission, and now you just have to wait for the scanning. Then select your OPPO Enco Air 2, and as you can see, now we are connected. And this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe.